Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create alerts in the Ant web trading platform. So after we add a stock to the watch list, if you click on this button here, More, you can see such a drop down. And if you click on Alerts here, you will see this alert window being created. But now let's first understand why we would need to create an alert. Let me open the chart real quick. Now we can see that the current trading price of this stock is 286.87ish. Now I want to make sure that as soon as the price drops to 286.25, I want to buy the stock. I want to get notified. Now keep in mind that alerts are used to notify you when the price hits a certain level, like it can go up, it can go down, but it hits a certain level and you get a notification. But it does not place an order for you. To place an order, you will need to place a limit order over here so that you can buy at a preferred price whenever it hits that particular price, which we'll discuss in some other video. In this video, we're learning about alerts. So when I click on alert, we can create a new alert. So I'm going to call it as buy alert. You can either search for the stock or just select the stock directly from the watch list. Now you can keep any values here less than or equal to. As for me, I'm going to keep it as 25. Should be less than or equal to. And let me create the alert. The alert has been created, as you can see over here. Now if you want to check where the alert is, go over to orders, alerts, and there is your latest alert that you just created. Now you can see there are both triggered and not yet triggered alerts. As soon as my condition is met, this will also get triggered and I'll also be notified. Then I can choose to buy it or not buy it. Now you can even modify this alert from here. That is, I can change this if I want to keep it as greater than or probably less than or anything. And I can even change the prices from here. Let me keep it to 50 and I can update it, and it has been updated. And I can even cancel it. That means removing this alert completely from this window. And that's all you need to know about alerts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel to never miss out on more videos like this. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.